It's a video tape presentation of the 2002 Haas SL-20T. I'm running about 1200 RPMs right now. I'm going to go ahead and crank it up to about 2500 RPMs, and then maybe a little bit past that. That's 2500, 3000, 35, that's 4000, and we'll just back it back down. And we'll stop there. Next, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll do a turret change. Z-axis. Move this over a little bit more. Go ahead and operate the chip auger here. Reverse chip. Does have the parts catcher. The actual parts catcher is off right now, but we do have it. Does have the high intense lighting. The floppy. Got the foot pad right there, the foot pedal. The manual keys. This is a picture of everything. We'll go ahead and verify the serial number on there as 65623, manufactured in 12 of 02, so pretty much an 03 machine. This is the inside the electrical cabinet here. It's got 1 megabyte of memory, chip auger, tool setter, high intensity lights, spindle orientation, parts catcher. It's also got the control key lock and the Y delta. Do have the chip chute right there. And this concludes the videotape presentation of the 2002 Haas SL-20T.